Namaste students, welcome to Win Maths. This is your mathematics teacher Vinayak Tony. Today in this video we are going to do the sum of the simplification problems on BODMAS rule. Here is the problem. They are given 5 into bracket of 2 plus 7. Before solving this, first we need to write the BODMAS on the right side. To solve this, we will write all the expressions as it is. Now, applying this BODMAS rule, we will underline the operations which we need to do it first. So first, we have a B. B stands for bracket. In this numerical expression, they are given the bracket. So I will underline that bracket. Rest all the numbers, operations, symbols, we will write it as it is. They are given 5, we wrote 5 as it is. Multiplication sign they are given, I wrote multiplication sign as it is. If we solve this bracket, in this bracket we have a addition, so we will solve this addition. 2 plus 7 we will get it as 9. So that 9 I wrote. Now we left with only one operation, that is a multiplication. If we multiply 5 by 9, we will get it as 45. This way we will perform the simplification of numerical expressions with more than 2 operations. Let's take one more problem. Simplify 9 minus 1 bracket of multiplied with 2. To solve this, first I will write the BODMAS on my right side. Second step, I will write the given expression as it is by applying the BODMAS rule. B stands for bracket. We have a bracket in this numerical expression, so I will underline that. This one we need to solve first. Rest all we need to write as it is. So equal sign I wrote, and after solving this I will get it as 9 minus 1 as the 8. Rest all I will write as it is, that is into and 2. Now we left with only multiplication. 8 into 2, 16. 16 is my final answer. Let's take one more problem. Simplify 4 bracket of 5 minus 2. To simplify this, first I will write BODMAS. Second step, I will write this expression as it is. Now I will think which operation we need to solve first. According to BODMAS rule, B stands for brackets. We have a bracket, so I will underline this bracket, which means I need to perform the operation inside the bracket first. Rest all I will write as it is. So first I wrote equal sign 4 as it is. This off stands for multiplication. So I am writing off only. Off means it is a multiplication. There is no sign, because of that I am writing the bracket. After solving 5 minus 2, I get a difference as 3. I will close the bracket. Now there is no symbol. If there is no symbol means it is order of. Therefore we will say that it is off. Off means always it is multiplication. If we multiply 4 with 3, we will get it as 12. This way we will solve numerical expressions using BODMAS rule.